Yeah, hello everyone out there. This is just a small short video of a 2008 Sportster Custom 883. Just thought I'd change the front end, gone away from the old the 21-inch front wheel over there, and the narrow triple trees. Gone to a fatboy front wheel. Not to make it look like a fatboy, but to make it look just something different. Because these things already come out with a standard solid back wheel, so I matched that to the front one. The only thing I had to do was make up a new axle for it, change the triple trees to 2013 triple trees. Everything else bolted straight onto it. Took a wee bit off the fatboy wheel to get it in there. She's pretty tight, but eventually, yeah, it got there with a wee bit of work. Machining the spacers, things like that, but handled a lot better than having the big 21-inch wheel there. A lot more rubber on the road. Just had to get the front guard colour matched. That was off a 2014 Sportster Low. Just had to get it repainted. So she's looking pretty good. Yeah, so she's just gets rid of that horrible narrow front end. Doesn't look nearly as thin, scrawny looking. So I'm pretty happy with it. So there she is. Thanks for watching.